All right, let's get started. Welcome, everybody. Good morning, middle school students.
Good morning.
Can I get like a good morning, Mrs. Price, like they do in kindergarten? Good morning, middle school students. All right, I'll settle for that. I'll take that. All right, and 5, 4, everybody's getting seated. 3, we're stopping talking. 2, we're sitting up. 1, our hands are to ourselves. And 0, voices should be off. Okay, so for those of you who don't know me, I'm Mrs. Price. We have these assemblies every month where we get to celebrate all the amazing things that you guys are doing. Next slide, please. Okay, we already talked about active listeners. When adults up here talking, we're going to be respectful. Or I might invite you to come MC and help run the assembly with me. I actually would like some middle school students to do that. I think that would be pretty cool. When there's going to be breaks when we transition, when kids go to sit down or take pictures, and it's totally fine to talk during those breaks. All right, next slide. Okay, we're going to start with the pledge. I'm going to count to 3. If you have a hat or a hoodie, please take it off as a sign of respect to our flag and to our veterans. If you don't participate and you don't want to say it, that's up to you. Okay, I'm going to wait till everybody's hats or hoodies are off. So I'm going to count to 3. We're not going to talk, and then we're going to stand and say the pledge. 1, 2, 3, please stand. Voices are off. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You guys did a great job. All right, so every month we celebrate, okay, I'll wait. This is the part where you guys are quiet again. Thank you, friends. Every month we celebrate different learning, a showcase of learning, and this month we have Miss Annie's dance students. They've been preparing a special presentation for you guys, so please welcome Miss Annie.
Hi, friends. Hi. Hi, Martine. Okay, so we have been preparing for this for, I don't know, probably like a month or so. It's starting to get really chilly outside, so we're really excited for the weather to come. So this is kind of like our celebration into the new season.
Don't cry, snowman, not in front of me. Who'll catch your tears if you can't catch me, darling? If you can't catch me, darling. Don't cry, snowman, don't leave me this way. A bottle of water can't hold me close, baby. Can't hold me close, baby. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. Let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever, oh, we'll have some fun. Yes, let's hit the North Pole and live happily. Please don't cry no tears now, it's Christmas, baby. My snowman and me. My snowman and me, baby. Don't cry, snowman, don't you fear the sun. Who'll carry me without legs to run, honey? Without legs to run, honey. Don't cry, snowman, don't you shed a tear. Oh, hear my secrets if you don't have ears, baby. If you don't have ears, baby. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. Let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever, oh, we'll have some fun. Yes, let's hit the North Pole and live happily. Please don't cry no tears now, it's Christmas, baby. My snowman and me, yeah. My snowman and me, baby.
That was amazing. Great job, you guys. Okay, one more round of applause. I think next are our advisory winners. Oh, wait a minute. Hang on. Don't leave. Wait, go back a slide. Sorry. I didn't know.
If you can, yeah. All right, middle schoolers, how are you guys this morning? Okay, well, I want to acknowledge some girls in this room because we had an amazing volleyball season. We went undefeated. We created some very fun memories. I think I'm finally getting my hearing back from all the long bus rides of singing to perfection on key. So, can I please have my varsity volleyball players please all come up here? Okay, so we are missing Miss Fernanda because she did transfer schools. So, because KUA has never had a team, sports team, that has had an undefeated season or a championship, Tom and Kevin went out of their way and made our gym a sign, like every other school has, acknowledging our volleyball girls. So, congratulations, girls. Thank you, ladies.
You want to recognize JB?
Okay. All right, so that was our varsity team. Can I have all my JV volleyball players up here, please? Come on, Natalie. Come on, Maya. Come on, Brisa. Come on, Tessany. Okay, so I'll wait. So our JV girls had an amazing season also. We had girls that could not serve over the nets, that by the end of the season was able to serve over the net. So they worked really hard this season, and they did very good. So they definitely improved on their skills, bump setting, spiking. I'll wait, ladies. I'll wait. So I wanted to acknowledge them too. So next year, we're going to have a good season also. All right? Congratulations, girls.
Great job. And thank you to Miss Andrea and I think Miss Tanisha, everybody who helped coach. We appreciate that. I forgot to say hello. We do have a few people joining us on Zoom. You guys can wave. We have a few parents here on Zoom. And welcome to all the parents who are here in person. Thanks for coming. Muy bienvenidos. Gracias a estar aquí con nosotros hoy. All right, advisories. Teachers, come on up. We're going to start with 6th grade. Okay, I'm going to wait. It's just advisory first, yeah. If you're a 6th grade advisor, come on up.
Go. Starbucks. Alrighty. So for my advisory this month, my award of advisory excellence this month, I chose a student who is just always in a good mood. He's always very friendly. He's always easy to talk to, and he's just someone I'm really happy to see every morning, always willing to be helpful and go the extra mile to help his classmates, and just a great student to start the day with. So Carlos, congratulations. Elena.
For our award is Emiliano Callejas. He's always with a positive attitude and participating with our activities and super kind with everybody.
Emiliano, come on up. Thank you for being an excellent student and always bringing your best. Oh, he's not here today. Okay, well, let's give him a round of applause just in case he's watching on Zoom.
Okay, and for my advisory, I wanted to give this award to Justin Escott Sanchez for always having a great attitude and being willing to share and just always very respectful. So thank you, Justin, for that.
All right, I got Mr. Rooks' advisory. His advisory winner goes to Natalie Moreno. He said she's super respectful to her teachers and her peers, always asks how she can help, and super nice and very sweet. Your advisory winner goes to Natalie Moreno.
All right, one more round of applause. 6th graders, head on over there. Miss Vanessa is going to take your picture, and we'll share that on Facebook. Parents, if you'd like to take a picture of your child, you're welcome to join them and get a picture. All right, let's move on to our 7th grade winners. And while the teachers are coming up, I would like to introduce, you guys all know him, Mr. Statler is our new middle school math teacher. He's doing long-term sub, and he's been doing an amazing job, so welcome to the team.
All right, good morning, middle school. For my advisory excellence award, I chose an 8th grader who since August has always been an active participant. He comes in and is always one of the first ones to answer the question on the board. He always participates in our shares and our games, and he's been a really good role model for the other 8th graders. So, Christian.
All right, so the student I chose is somebody who's really stepped it up when it comes to participating. Also, I feel like there's somebody that I look forward to seeing in the morning. They always have a smile on their face, just kind of like a bright light. So I enjoy having her in class, and so congratulations, Annalie.
Congratulations, Analia. I am Ms. Roundy, as you see above here. You can call me Mr. Roundy if you want. My student is almost a perfect advisory student. Shows up on time every day, does whatever she's asked, sits quietly, is respectful to me and respectful to the other students, and I always have noticed and appreciated Maylin immediately. She's fantastic, and I love having her in my class. My advisory student month is Maylin Martinez.
So when you come into a new school, you have to learn a lot of new names. Sorry guys, I'm losing my voice, so I'll try to make it quick. But you learn a lot of new names, and you learn students' names for not so good reasons sometimes, and you learn students' names for the best of reasons. And so this advisory student every day has been someone who I'm excited to see, someone who attacks the day, someone who is striving to be better every day. So everybody give a round of applause to Angelo Sanchez. Coach, you got to go.
All right, I got Miss Rude. Her award winner goes to Brisa Banuelos Torres. She says she's awesome to have, super respectful, and does everything she's asked to do. She's very responsible. Your award winner goes to Brisa. All right, for my advisory, I think this kid has found a home in my advisory. He's always open to share. In my advisory, we keep things hot, humble, open, and transparent. So whenever there's a topic, he's not afraid to speak his mind. I think he's very he's a good kid in his own way, but I also think that if he strives and if he just gets over the hump of wanting to be great, this is not the only award you'll start to get. So my award winner goes to Martin Zamora.
All right, great job, you guys. Head on over to get your picture. Say hello to your friend. You can talk for a minute. All right, we're going to transition into our Royal Awards for academic courage, respect, integrity, and responsibility. So I think we start with 6th grade. So 6th grade teachers, come on up.
Thank you. Alrighty. So for this month, I've done the awards for respect and responsibility in 6th grade. For the award of respect, I've chose a student who just goes above and beyond to be respectful to other adults, to be helpful, to just go the extra mile. And I chose Aaliyah, so if you want to come up. Aaliyah is a perfect example in 6th grade of just being respectful to all classmates. When others are talking, she's listening and just really shows like how we should act as a classmate to not just teachers, but to her class, to everyone. So congrats. Next, I'm gonna have her come up first for responsibility, Yatinari. I chose Yatinari for this award because she always handles all of her responsibilities. When she takes work home, she's very diligent in completing it and coming immediately and showing me. And is just a student I know takes care of everything she needs to and is a great example of what we should be working for in 6th grade. Congrats, both of you.
Okay, I chose the Academic Courage Award to be given to Aiden Tedders this month. So round of applause for Aiden as he comes up. Aiden is super detail-oriented. Sometimes he'll even point out something to me that we were supposed to have done because of the directions, and he does that constantly, and He's so detail-oriented and super responsible with all his academic areas, and also just very respectful to teachers and students, and a great role model for the rest of 6th grade. So thank you, Aiden. And the next award is for integrity, and that goes to Declan Fetro. Thank you, Declan. So Declan, for me, and I'm sure for all of his classes, is super respectful, again, and has a ton of responsibility, and is, I think, just I can trust him with his schoolwork as well as errands, or to treat someone with respect, new students, to befriend them, and anyways, I can just always trust Declan, and that's why I chose him for the Integrity Award. Thank you.
All right, great job. They're going to head on over. While we're doing that, we'll welcome our 7th grade teachers. You can talk to your friend now. Take a minute, talk. It's okay.
All right, for 7th grade, I have the honor of giving out 2 awards today. First, for the Royal Award of Responsibility is going to a student who I can always trust to do the right thing, to look out for her classmates. Whether it's during class, in the hallways, during enrichment, I know that if I give her a task, she's going to complete it, and she's going to do it with a smile. So the award for responsibility goes to Evelyn Garcia. And unfortunately, it looks like we have a miss photo up there, but our award for respect goes to a student who joined us kind of in the middle of the year, who is always looking out for his classmates, who's respectful to teachers, who's respectful to his peers, and is just all around a really nice guy and a good student to have in class. So, Manny.
All right, I'll do this one was from another teacher, but I'm just going to help report it. So this one was for academic courage. It was Sandy Cortez. One of the things that I know about her, maybe it's different reasons than this teacher chose, but for me, I know that she's kind of a quiet force in the classroom. I know that she understands the content. For me, the academic courage would be being willing to speak up to help others in class, because I know that she's a capable student. And I think this is a fitting word for her. So congratulations, Sandy. And then for my award, I chose Edric Cortez. One of the things that he was able to do for me that I felt like was pretty special, we had to do some rap songs. And one of the things that Edric has been struggling with is just getting started. He hasn't always done his work, but this is where he really shined. I was glad to see what he's able to do. If he hasn't sang the song for you, you should ask him. It's phenomenal. And so congratulations, Edric.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Okay, so my award winner for the Royal Award of Integrity goes to Yasmin Palomera. She's quiet, doesn't really talk, but she's very intelligent and super responsible. She is a joy to have in all my classes. Your award winner goes to Yasmin.
All right, thank you, 7th grade. All right, 8th graders. All right, I once again have the honor of giving out 2 awards. My award for academic courage went to someone who decided to take the more difficult route this trimester. She had the option to do some assignments that would have been easy, but instead she chose to challenge herself and chose to take part in a program that would focus on independent project-based learning. And she's really challenging herself to do her best work, and I'm very proud of her. So, Evelyn Sanchez. And I also have the Royal Award of Responsibility. And this is a student who has really turned things around this trimester. He's always on time to class. He sits in the front of the classroom. He's doing his work. He's asking questions. He's taking ownership for his own learning, and I'm really proud of him for that. So, Ezekiel.
All right, this has been a popular guy today. He's going to be coming up again. Kind of similar reasons. I always knew he was a talented person. That was pretty obvious to me when I came to the actual talent show last year. I wanted to get to see my students before I came here. And he was doing like a whole boxing routine with his sister. It was pretty amazing to watch. But I didn't realize he also has some talent when it comes to writing some rap lyrics. He might be somebody that I have to see if he's willing to even perform it at some point. Because again, it's another great one. So again, the academic award is going to go to Angelo Sanchez.
All right. The Royal Award of Integrity for 8th grade. This student, if I had to say one thing that describes this student, is it's a phenomenal character. You can always trust her to do things and do things right, even when people aren't looking. She always does her job. She's very responsible. She's always the first one to say hi to me every morning when I walk in. For those of you that don't know, she is also really good at acting. She played a great role last year for the Annie play. She's also, for people that don't know, has a really awesome role, and she got it and she earned it. She's one of the evil stepsisters for Cinderella. So we have a great person representing KUA for this play, and that award goes to Erlanda Cervantes. All right, this one for the Royal Award of Respect is a no-brainer for me. This kid is always respectful to me, respectful to his teachers and to his peers. I really like having this student inside my class. We recently went to a college visit together at Southern Oregon University. He got to take a tour with all the players. But the thing with that is it kind of sparked something in him. And it was always, this is my dream to play, and this is what I want to do. but this Royal Award of Respect goes to Dakota Branson.
All right, one more round of applause. Great job, 8th graders. Head on over for your picture. All right, just a few announcements and we're almost done. Next week, no school. I know you guys are happy about that. Monday and Tuesday are conferences. Parents, if you're not sure of your conference time, ask your student or you can contact the teacher or the office. We do have some games coming up for basketball. Today at Sacred Heart, Monday at Prospect, that's kind of far, and Wednesday at KUA. Even though it's right before Thanksgiving, we're going to have a game. So come on out, cheer on your teammates. They're doing a great job this season. All right, thank you guys for joining us today. Thank you, parents. Gracias por venir. I think you guys are headed to, what period is it? Second period? Head to your second period class. Please pick up your trash. Thank you. You guys did a great job today.